What's your first name?
Joe Biden.
Stop it. Get some help.
FBI agent's dad thinks he's above the law. That's the title of today's video from Police Insider. Let's jump right into it.
2022. Officers were dispatched in reference to a car accident. What seemed to be a simple encounter at first started escalating soon.
Hey, hi, where's the other car?
This is how car was. It was smashed into me. Okay. And when I come out and I was like, sir, you hit me? And he's like, no, I didn't, while his car is in this position. Okay. We were turning left and
to go onto
golf towards that way.
Okay.
And then we just came here. He followed me, but then he left. He talked on the phone. He kind of wandered around the parking lot, and then he got in his car and drove off. He tried to stop me taking picture of his car, the number to give it to dispatch. And then he did not want to provide me any information. He was like, I know who you are.
And is that the damage right there?
Yeah, he hit this, and then this kind of bounce.
Okay. And then you did get his license plate down?
I did. I got his license plate number.
Yeah.
And that's it. But he did not give me any other information. He just drove off.
And do you want a crash report done?
I do want it. I want to get a report because then I have to get this fixed.
Sure.
Sure, he had a few drinks, but he wasn't drunk. But
Could you smell alcohol on him?
I try to stay away from him because he was like, "What are you doing? I know who you are." Blah blah blah. And he's like, I'm Polish. And I'm like, sir, I understand. Doesn't matter where you're from.
Do you want him arrested for hitting you, or do you just want his insurance information?
I just want his insurance information. Okay. I don't want him to go to jail and stuff like that. That's not something I want. He just needs to be careful.
Right.
What if there will be a child in the car or something?
The police tracked the man to his house, which threw him off guard.
Okay, so the police are almost certainly within their rights to track this man to his house. He was allegedly in an accident. There were pictures of the accident. They have a license plate shown from the incident. So they can run the license plate, figure out this guy's address, and that certainly gives them reasonable suspicion at the very least, because hit and run from an accident is a crime, to go and temporarily detain this gentleman so they can investigate the incident further.
He drove off at first, but later took a U-turn and came back.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me, I hear me.
Yeah. How are you gonna get out?
There you go.
That's better.
Can we do a deal over here? Or is it out of our area?
Any problem?
Yeah. Here, you want to step out for me?
No.
No, you don't want to?
Why?
So you got into an accident over on Greenwood.
I know.
You know?
I say I am gonna pay for anything.
Okay, well, according to Illinois law, you have to.
What else?
Illinois law, you have to provide
else?
information and everything.
What else?
We're trying to explain that to you.
Yeah,
Why don't you
have
just let him talk?
You have to give your information to the other driver before you drive
you
off.
know, I was sometimes somewhere for whining.
Okay. All right. Do you have an ID or anything on you?
No.
No. Do you have insurance?
I don't have. I am from Poland.
Do you have Do you have a driver's license?
No.
You don't have a driver's license. Why are
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Excuse me?
Drink. Alcohol?
What do you think about this?
Because I can smell it.
No. How about you?
Okay.
You drinking something?
So now we have an issue.
You
don't have a license.
It doesn't matter if you're not from the United States, you still need to have some form of identification. If you don't have a form of identification, that is a crime if you are under valid temporary detention or arrest from the police officer. Here, the police almost certainly have the right to be here investigating, and him not having an ID, him being from Poland, is not an excuse. Second, the alcohol thing. It's really important. We, as the observers, cannot smell anything through the body cam. Just the cop saying that he smells alcohol doesn't necessarily give them probable cause to arrest him for drinking while driving. That's why the best thing you can do is zip it. Zip it. Ask for a lawyer and zip it.
You have insurance on the car?
No.
No?
What's your first
No,
name,
never
sir?
again.
Yeah, never.
You have a neighbor?
So what's your first name?
What the heck
Can I
is
get your
going
first
on
name?
here? Excuse me?
What's your first name?
Joe Biden.
Okay, no. What is your name?
So you either have to identify yourself,
Yeah.
or we're gonna take you.
We're not
He said his name was Joe Biden.
playing games here. I mean,
You're gonna arrest me. Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. You're not gonna identify yourself.
Be careful. Be careful, because sometimes I am my son working from FBI.
Oh, okay, cool. So how about this? How about you give us your name, and then you can go inside.
No, don't try. Don't try.
Don't try.
you're playing games with us here. We're trying to get this taken care of
anyway,
so we can get you out
He is going to get arrested.
of
Like
here.
that. Why are you doing like this?
Because you got into an accident.
Oh,
and
yeah,
the other
yeah,
driver
yeah.
wants a report
Nothing
done.
happened.
That's why we're here.
Nothing. I tell her I gonna pay something.
Okay.
Well, she doesn't. She's not under the impression that that's what happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And you gave her no
My
information.
home is with you. Go ahead.
what are we gonna do inside your house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have any sort of ID on you? Anything?
I don't care about some kind of bullshit.
Okay.
I'm sorry about this
Okay.
word. I want to be fair.
Okay.
I like it, police. My father was police.
I appreciate that.
My
Sure.
son
So-
working for FBI.
Okay, so all we're trying to do now is we're just
Okay,
trying to
okay,
identify
okay.
what happened in the accident, so
what,
we can
what,
leave.
What else?
Yeah.
You wanna?
So I need your name.
You wanna kill me?
No,
sir.
we
I
just
need
want
your
your name.
I need your date of birth.
Go ahead.
No. Can
Well,
you
my-
just,
my
just
home is
speak,
your home.
Just speak your name out loud, and I will write it down. What is your first name?
Are you speak Polish?
I don't speak Polish.
No,
No.
unfortunately,
You?
No.
We're gonna give you one more chance. Tell this officer your name, so we can complete the crash report.
I never go and.
Or we're gonna have to take you under arrest.
Yeah.
Okay?
We
So
would
it's your
rather
choice.
just get your name and
I
let
like
you go
it
inside
this.
your house.
I like it this.
So-
But don't try. Arrest me.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor.
right.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
No, we're done here. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't do that. Son of a.
Stop resisting.
You like police?
Stop.
Like that?
Okay, this gentleman is just racking up the charges. Now he has a resisting arrest in addition to the failure to identify, in addition to the hit and run. Remember, the police had every right to investigate the hit and run. They had every right to go to his house and temporarily detain him because they had at least valid reasonable suspicion. When he failed to identify himself, that gave them probable cause to arrest him. So you see how everything is just compounding? It is very important to assert your rights, but you need to know what your rights are. Give the identification and zip it. Ask for a lawyer.
Neighbor.
Put your hands behind your back.
I like it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I like it.
Let me lock this one so it doesn't get tighter.
I love it.
There you go. Okay, relax.
Real quick, I just wanted to say that Attorney Tom / Attorney Reacts content is now on Spotify. We just launched a partnered show, link in the description. Go check it out. Now, back to the video.
He was driving drunk.
Oh, he's right?
Yeah. So we're taking him to our lockup now.
Oh, he's with you guys?
Yeah, he's arrested. So
Oh.
he's in our back seat. So we'll be leaving shortly once
Oh,
do you know him well?
Yeah, my neighbor. Yeah.
Oh, your neighbor?
The man was taken to the jail where he became very uncooperative and challenging to deal with.
All right.
Now they're alleging he was also drinking while driving. I'm not sure if they just told the neighbor that because it was a quicker tell, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. The police can say whatever they want.
Are you gonna behave? Do you need help getting out of the car?
No.
You don't? All right, come on out.
You wanna kill me?
No, I
You
don't.
wanna
Come
shoot
on
me?
out.
You wanna shoot me?
No, come
You
on.
wanna shoot
Do you need
me?
help getting out of the car or not?
Excuse me. What I gonna do?
I want you to step
I
out
have
of the
some
vehicle.
kind of trick. But be careful.
Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, put your foot down.
Are you speak Polish?
No,
No,
come
nobody
on.
speaks Polish. Step out of the vehicle. Michelle.
Oh yeah, 4, 5.
Come on.
Okay.
Here, touch the tank. Touch.
Why you pull me like that? I'm gonna call to my son from FBI.
Okay.
Police.
I don't speak Polish, but I'm sure he's not saying nice things about them.
You wanna scare me?
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm
No,
telling you
that's
what's
you
going to
know,
happen.
That's just the
My
process.
father in Poland was in. He was policeman. He never was scared.
I'm not scared of you either.
I
so
know, but
I'm telling
he
you what
also
it's worth.
he also
Can we
he
find
also
you a
take
way
care
to
of
get
guns.
home? Do you want to go home tonight?
Nothing happened.
But
Very,
you're driving.
very serious.
You're driving drunk. Too much tiske?
No,
Yeah.
no,
Come on.
You have money? $200 on here?
200.
Yes.
Yeah. 200. For bond.
To
Excuse
leave
me,
here.
excuse me.
Yeah.
Don't play,
I'm not
don't
playing
play
with
with me because if I gonna say what kind of number,
52.
what kind of policeman you are,
I'm the policeman
when
telling
I
you it's
gonna
gonna
talk
cost.
to Matthew, my son,
Yeah.
special
Call-
agent
call
from
your
Can
FBI.
you call him?
You want to call your
son?
Go ahead.
What's his number?
No. We'll let you.
I
we'll
gonna
let
say
you
what
call.
kind of son of a you are police. Sure. Go ahead, shoot me. You guys know how shoot. You guys know how shoot.
I think you had too much to drink.
No. I remember how shoot to who.
We don't have much evidence of the alcohol. Obviously, we're not there. We can't smell it. But regardless of that, he's still hit and run, failure to ID, and then resisting arrest. So, at this point, I think the police are just trying to get more information. The best thing you can do is zip it.
Pizza? You like pizza? I think you need to eat something.
Beautiful girl, like Blondie and
Do you drink every day?
no,
No? Every 2 days?
only with beautiful girl.
Okay. So you never drink?
I do.
What are you saying?
I don't wanna come back here with.
Okay to you.
Uh,
Are you threatening to shoot up the police
no,
station?
I don't have.
He just threatened to come back to the police station.
Later, the police got him a cab and released him on a D bond. He was charged with DUI, obstructing identification, resisting arrest, leaving the scene of an accident, and assault.
Ultimately, the man was charged with DUI, obstructing identification, resisting arrest, leaving the scene of an accident, and assault.
Big verdict.